In this video, I'm going to show you how I set up my Visual Studio Code to get clean, clutter-free output when running Python programs. So normally, when you run your Python in VS Code, you might see something like this at the top of your terminal. Now this line may look confusing with paths, ampersands, and drive letters, but it's just PowerShell showing how it's running your Python file. It's not actually part of your program's output, so don't worry about it. But if you've watched any of my previous videos, you might have noticed that I don't get any of this. My output is super clean, just the results of the code, nothing else. So let me show you how to set that up. So to achieve this, we'll use a VS Code extension called Code Runner. Go to the Extensions tab, search for Code Runner by Junhan, and click Install. Once installed, click the gear icon next to Code Runner and choose Extension Settings. Now we have to make the following changes. First, enable Clear Previous Output. This ensures that every time you run your program, the output is cleared first, giving you a fresh result every time. And then scroll a little bit and disable Run in Terminal. By default, Code Runner runs the code in the terminal, which still shows some clutter. Unchecking this runs it in the output window instead, which is much cleaner. And then we have to disable the Show Execution message. This hides the line that says something like running Python file, which we don't need. And that's it. Your VS Code is now ready to give you clean, clutter-free output. Now, when you write a Python program and try to run it, you'll see a new option called Run Code just above the usual Run Python File option. If you don't see it, just restart VS Code and it should appear. Click on Run Code, and you get clutter-free, clean output without any unnecessary paths or messages, just the output you care about. But there's one thing you should keep in mind. If your program uses the input function to take input from the user, this clean output method won't work properly. That's because the output window used by Code Runner doesn't support interactive input. So in that case, you have to go back to Code Runner settings and enable the Run in Terminal option again. This way, your program can accept user input through the terminal, although it will show a small directory path again, which is totally manageable. And that's how you get clean output in VS Code with just a few clicks. I hope this helps you make your coding experience more pleasant and less cluttered. I hope this cleans up your VS Code output. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.